I don't wanna talk about things we've gone through. Do it starting with, now it's history. I've planned all my parts, and that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say, no more race to play. The winner takes it all, the loser standing small beside the victory. That's her destiny.